everybody, Artistic Flair here, back with another speed art video. Today I will be drawing Lunala. Let's begin. Thank you all for watching this video. If you enjoy content like this, be sure to give a like. It lets me know you like content like this. I would love to give a shout out to Fox Gala for suggesting this week's video. Thank you. And if you guys want to see any future suggestions made by you, be sure to leave them down in the comment section, and who knows, one of them just might show up in a speed art video. Consider subscribing over to the channel and get notified on any upcoming content. As always, stay creative. Bye!